Welcome to our guide on how to effectively mute words from your Twitter home timeline on your PC. Let's dive into the steps to manage your Twitter experience and avoid seeing unwanted content. To begin, click More from the side navigation menu, then navigate to Settings and Privacy. Next, click on the Privacy and Safety tab, followed by selecting Mute and Block. Within the Mute and Block section, click on Muted Words to start customizing your muted list. Click the plus icon to add a new muted word, then enter the specific word you'd like to mute. After entering the word, ensure to select Home Timeline to mute it from your main feed. Specify that you want to mute the word from people you don't follow to further tailor your muted content. Now, under Mute Timing, you have the option to choose the duration of the mute. You can select between muting the word forever, for 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Choose the duration that best suits your preferences. Lastly, click Save to apply your muted word settings. By following these steps, you can easily manage and customize your Twitter feed to enhance your social media experience. Take control of your Twitter feed today by muting words from your home timeline and filtering content from people you don't follow. Enjoy a more tailored and enjoyable Twitter experience.